How's it going, guys? With the 2019 Jeep Cherokee, they've kind of made it a little bit easier to reset the oil life reminder. And what we're going to do is we're going to stick the key in and we're going to turn it forward and we're going to turn it all the way, but we're not going to turn it on. And you're going to use these directional buttons here to go through your menus. Okay, you're going to use up and down. You're going to go to menu 2. And what you want is, once you get to menu 2, is you're going to use the other arrows to go to your oil life, and all it says to do is hold down OK to reset. And that doesn't work. Alright, so now what you're going to do is turn the car off, turn the key all the way forward without starting it, and you're going to press the gas pedal down 5 times, nice and slow. Alright, you'll see it'll reset just like that.